Once you start posting content on your social media account, you will continuously get comments and likes on your posts. Since you are becoming an influencer, you must connect with your followers. Therefore, you cannot ignore the comments that they make on your posts. You should try to answer as many as possible. In case they give you a compliment, they tell you that your posts are excellent, you should thank them. Or if they ask you questions, try to answer as many as possible. Likewise, an excellent way to engage with your audience is by asking them a question that goes with your post. This will get you to create a conversation and increase the degree of engagement with your audience. When you create this type of conversation, there are interactions. This creates a personal connection. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email a free internet marketing PDF report every Monday. These reports are concise and easy to read. They will help you quickly understand the information you need to promote your business online. So be sure to subscribe to my mailing list as well. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.